Bioinformatics is a very complex field of science, but it is also very important. Basically bridges the gap between many different fields. We have biology, chemistry, mathematics, and computer science all in one subject. It's like an intersection of everything nerdy. You see, molecular data in itself is like a puzzle. Here by Informatics, we analyze these data, processes them, and repackage them so that it may be utilized in another way.
We can actually do a lot with bioinformatics. It helps us to understand the function of genes and how mutations in these genes turn into genetic disorders. And from studying those genes, we get to design drugs that are more specific to their target.
Bioinformatics, we have made great achievements in gene technology. It also contributes greatly to new scientific discoveries.
One of the situations wherein we use bioinformatics is in analyzing gene sequencing. In this, we use computer programs and tools like DNA Baser, Mega, BLAST, and a lot more tools that can be used in sequencing, alignment, and inference. BLAST is a short term for the basic local alignment search tool. It finds regions of local similarity between sequences by comparing nucleotide or protein sequences to databases. Then, it calculates the statistical significance of the matches.
Blasting can be useful in creating phylogenetic trees and then inferring the evolutionary relationship between the sequences. It can also be useful in identifying the members of gene families. Using BLAST is actually simple. Let's take cystic fibrosis for an example.
Cystic fibrosis is caused by a faulty gene that disrupts the movement of salt and water in the body's cells, making the mucus in people with CF thicker and stickier. This sticky mucus causes problems, mainly in the lungs and digestive system, but also affects other parts of the body too. It's not nice. The small airways in the lungs can get clogged up with this mucus, causing infections and, over time, damage to the lungs. So, what does all that mean for everyday life? Well, here are some of the symptoms. Frequent chest infections, severe or prolonged coughs, wheezing or shortness of breath, abnormal bowel movements, difficulty gaining weight, and for most men, infertility. A whole host of antibiotics to fight infections in my lungs. They're not all that colourful, but you get the idea. Physiotherapy to help shift the mucus that builds up around my organs. Enzyme capsules to take with food. They're really not that hard to swallow. And talking of food, we need a special high-fat diet to make sure our bodies get all the nutrients that it needs. And more drugs to thin that sticky mucus. People with CF sometimes need to take over 40 tablets a day. It's a burden for sure, but it's the preferred option. If conventional treatments no longer work, a lung transplant might be needed. Cystic fibrosis presents daily compromises and challenges, but with careful management and the right treatment, people with CF can lead full and happy lives. Recent figures suggest that half of people with CF will live past their 47th birthday. But it's also thought that a baby born today with cystic fibrosis could live longer as life expectancy continues to increase with the amazing advances in treatment and care.